Hey kids, let's play the ABC guess game. Look carefully and guess which animal it is. Are you ready? Let's start. It's big, green, and lives in the water. Can you guess what it is? It's A for alligator. It opens its mouth wide and snaps. A for alligator. It's brown and furry, loves honey, and lives in the forest. Guess who it is? It's B for bear. It growls loudly. Grrr. B for bear. It's small, cute, and loves to chase a ball of yarn. Can you guess this animal? It's C for cat. It says meow and purrs softly. C for cat. It's friendly, wags its tail, and loves to play fetch. What animal says woof woof? It's D for dog. It's your best friend. D for dog. It's huge, gray, and has a long trunk. Guess this giant animal. It's E for elephant. It trumpets loud. Pow! E for elephant. X. It's clever and quick with a shiny orange tail. Can you guess this smart animal? It's F for fox. It barks in the night. F for fox. Giraffe. It has a long neck and eats green leaves from tall trees. Who could it be? It's G for giraffe. So tall and gentle. G for giraffe. It runs fast and loves to gallop in the fields. Guess this strong animal. It's H for horse. Clip, clop, neigh. H for horse. It's green, scaly, and loves the sunshine. Can you guess this reptile? It's I for iguana. It flicks its tongue out. I for iguana. It lives under the sea and glows softly. What could this be? It's J for jellyfish. It floats and moves. Swish, swish. J for jellyfish. It hops high and carries its baby in a pouch. Who is this jumper? It's K for kangaroo. Boing, boing, watch it hop. K for kangaroo. It's the king of the jungle with a golden mane. Can you guess this strong animal? It's L for lion. It roars loudly. Roar! L for lion. Wow, kids, you guessed all the animals from A to L.